Hi, love bugs. This meditation is for accepting big success into your life, remembering you can have it all. This is Steph, and I would deeply appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. Taking in a nice deep breath, closing your eyes, coming into this moment, exhaling any stress, any distractions, and breathing in, breathing out, just relaxing, listening to my voice, focusing on your breath, coming in and coming out, relaxing into this moment. With each exhale, sending away any distractions, any stress. Just relaxing, becoming more present. And with your next deep breath, allowing all of your muscles from the top of your head all the way to the tips of your toes to relax, just deeply, comfortably relax. Now you've discovered lately that you have this journey that you want to go down, and you want to achieve success in the path that you are journeying down. You want the outcome of all of your hard work, dedication to be success. And now it's time to remind yourself that success is yours to have. So I want you to imagine now some place in your life that feels safe for you to be yourself completely, to express yourself fully, to be you. Find that place now and just imagine yourself in there so that you could absorb the energy of your confidence, of feeling sure in who you are and the life that you're creating for yourself. Take it all in. Take in the energy of confidence, of being capable. And as you're in this room, I want you to imagine that there is a way for you to release any doubt about yourself and your abilities, and any fear of success that might be getting in your way. Because it is true that as you become more successful, that some people might see you in a negative light. So release that fear, release that limit, because you can handle success no matter what, even when others see you in a negative light. And release the fear of losing loved ones, of friends and family, as you become more successful. Because sometimes that happens. And know that you can express yourself, you can become successful, you can accept success into your life, even when others leave your life because of it. Because you are choosing yourself. You are choosing to love and honor who you are, to express yourself fully, to live your life fully. You are choosing yourself. in your life, and you get to create it. And sometimes there will be pain, and you can handle the pain, knowing that the pain will end, that every rainstorm comes to an end, and there will be rainbows, and there will be joy and pleasure and growth and success, and you can handle it all. You are ready to have big success in your life, and you can handle it, and you will know what to do with it. You are smart, you are capable, and you will attract people into your life that will support your success, that will love you at the top of your success because of who you are, because of what you contribute, because of what you offer your relationships. You will be loved on your journey, and you will attract people into your life that will love you and support you, and who will cheer for your success. It's time for you now to express yourself fully, to choose yourself, knowing that you can handle your success. That comes with you following your heart and your soul, allowing yourself to live fully and deeply, knowing that even though some people may not understand your choices, that other people will be inspired by you, that they will feel seen by you, loved by you. You can have it all. And you can handle all of the challenges that come with you on your path to success. You are already successful, and now it's time to expand your success, to receive the success that is meant for you, to receive your success. Releasing continuously all the fear that comes with being successful. Releasing it because you know that you can handle it. You can handle the pain, and you can handle the pleasure. You can handle other people's negativity and release it so that you can express yourself and be you completely. You will know what to do with your success. You can handle the success. You can handle all of the praise, any of the negativity, because you're being true to who you are. You know who you are, and you're letting yourself unfold and be discovered, and you're letting your success be experienced by you now. You know that you're attracting your success, that your vibration is expansive. And when you be you and express who you are fully, when you choose yourself, you expand and you can receive your success, the success that is meant for you, that is yours to have. You attract it into your life, and you can handle it. You can accept it, and you will be loved, and you will have incredible friendships, and there will be family who will support you and cheer for you. And there will be friends who cheer for you and want you to be successful, who believe in you so much and feel proud of who you are and feel inspired by you. They love you deeply. And you love yourself deeply and completely, so much so that you let yourself be seen. You express yourself. You choose yourself. You create the business or the path that is meant for you. You go down it. You accept it willingly. You allow yourself to receive the success that is yours to have. The old you was held back by your fear, but you've released that now. And any time that fear comes back into your life, you release it again. As many times as it takes, you release it, you move through it, and you continue to choose yourself, to express yourself fully, and to receive the success that is meant for you, allowing your success to build on top of each other. One success builds on another success, and you become incredibly successful. You can have it all. You can handle it. You know what to do with it. And you become expansive, more and more expansive. You choose yourself, and every time you choose yourself, you give permission to others for them to choose themselves and for them to be successful. You are becoming an example for other people to receive and accept their success, to choose themselves fully, to express themselves completely, to believe in themselves. That is a gift you are giving yourself that continues to give to the world and everyone who encounters you. You can handle it all. So now, from this moment forward, you choose yourself every single day, and you express yourself. You live fully and completely. You allow yourself to live, and you follow your heart, your soul, your joy, your bliss, and you receive an abundance of success happily, willingly. Your time is now. Your time is now. So feel that success, the energy of success and joy and gratitude and bliss vibrate through you, all the way from the cosmos down through your head, all the way to your toes, down into the earth, and cycling all the way back to the cosmos and continuing to fill you with love, success, the abundance, knowing that what is meant for you simply comes to you, and you can handle it all. Success is yours to have, and you choose from this moment forward to live fully and completely as you. You accept yourself, you believe in yourself, and this life of success is yours to have. Feel that energy, that gratitude, that bliss and peace flow through you and expand all around you, calling into you the success that is meant for you. It simply finds you, and you receive it peacefully, delightfully, wonderfully. Taking in another deep breath, knowing that you have the confidence to choose yourself daily and express yourself fully and live blissfully. And when you're ready, opening your eyes, returning to your day, knowing that you can handle the big success that is yours to have. Thank you so much for being here. Sending you endless love.